In today's video, I'll be fixing this broken iPhone 15 Pro into working condition, so let's get started. I did this repair before, but with a different phone, which was an iPhone 11. And you can just click right here to view that video. First things first, when doing this, you're gonna wanna shut down the iPhone like this. Now we can unscrew. Now using a razor blade, all you have to do is just wedge this into the bottom. And now, as you can see, the screen is popping up, so we can just wedge something in here. And just like a book, or the opposite of a book, we could just lift it open. So now we just have to unscrew this bracket right here. These screws are so tiny, so for comparison, here's what an iPhone screw looks like compared to a grain of rice. And look at that, the display is free. Now we have to move this proximity sensor from our old screen to the new screen. Now let's finish the rest of this repair. Now we're all done and good to go. So that's it for this video. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, as I'll definitely do more of these kind of videos. And now time to go sell this phone.